Ah, welcome back to Cruising After 50. I'm currently playing a very aggressive, very high stakes game of suitcase Tetris before I'm even done with this cruise. Why? Because I have to show you the stateroom before I completely surrender to the chaos of packing. Today we're doing a tour of the Sea Terrace cabin, and let me warn you, this is going to be the fastest tour you've ever seen. We're going to from a spacious stateroom to, well, this. This is the bedroom setup. It's a double bed, which is great for one or two people. There's no sofa, and definitely no sofa bed. This ship knows its audience, adults only. So, rooms for two, end of story. If you need a third person, they're sleeping in the balcony. Now, storage is always key, especially in a small room. You've got your space under the bed, which is perfect for tucking away those giant suitcases. We have this weird thing to the side. It's a slim, modern piece of furniture with a full-length mirror. Yeah. And the safe is tucked inside. But the pro tip, it fits a small laptop, but don't try to shove in your massive 17-inch gaming rig in there. And instead of a bulky wardrobe, they've gave everyone a very modern slick curtain to hide your clothes. It keeps the room feeling open. Over here, we have the desk, and by desk I mean a surface area for your keys. It is small, but you won't be writing the next great American novel here. But check out this cool detail. Heat-resistant pad. This is surely for the girls or guys with more hair than me. You can put your hot hair straighteners right here. When you're getting ready for Scarlet night, this is the place to be for those last-minute touch-ups. Now, let's talk about the controls. You've got your television, which is, well, a TV, but those buttons, yeah, right next to the bed, are in a difficult position. If you wake up in the middle of the night, it's not easy to touch them. So, if you want to control your environment, forget the buttons and touch the touchpad here. You control the lights, the TV, the shades. You can even request ice and fresh towels from it. Very slick. And here's a funny detail. They have some souvenirs for you. A sleek bottle opener and an octopus. They're available to buy or steal without needing to go to the shop. They will charge this to your credit card in case it is not found in the room after you check out. Think of it as a pre-authorized souvenir purchase. Speaking of expensive surprises, let's talk about the minibar. It's empty. Go fill, go buy the drinks out of the ship or at port or bring them back. However, there is no need for water bottles or cans here. The staff are amazing. They check out our reusable bottles in the room every day and refill them. That's a huge save for both the planet and my wallet. It saved me a fortune. Okay? Okay, the moment of truth. The bathroom. It looks like it looks less like a cruise bathroom and more like an airplane bathroom that decided to put a little wave and add a shower. And that's it. Nothing to see here. Don't drop the soap. There is no room to pick it up. Maybe that's why they don't get soap. You don't get soap. Just these fancy red amenities. They smell good, but they wouldn't save you from losing your grip. My last shower was spacious, but this one looks like it was designed with a structural failure already in mind. Let's talk money because I'd rather spend it on a drink than laundry. I love this laundry bag. On a past cruise, I treated the bag like a Thanksgiving turkey, stuffing it until the seams cried for mercy. But this is next level. You can put your full suitcase in it. Sorry, not a suitcase, but everything in it. And they will wash and fold all of it for just $55. If you are solo or a couple, this is absolutely the way to go. Everything came back, clean and on hangers. So that's the speedy, spicy tour of the Sea Terrace cabin. A great room, great service, and a shower that requires a lot of upper body strength to turn around in. If you enjoyed the super fast tour, hit that like button. I'm going to sit on my suitcase to close it. See you in the next one.